Welcome back to Cars of Sweden, and today it's BMW Day. Hello everybody and welcome back to the show. Today I'm going to be taking a short drive to a friend of mine who's got a very interesting BMW. So it's going to take me about 15 minutes to drive down there, but for you it's going to take about 15 seconds, so I'll see you there. So now we've seen the car, let's see the guy behind the car, Johnny.
Hello Gary.
How you doing? Yeah?
I am fine.
The Z3M Coupe. Why did you buy the car? Where did you get the car from?
It was a guy in Småland. He bought this totally crashed from a friend. This guy, he had it from new. And so it was 5 years old when they were crashed the whole car for him. And he didn't repair it. I don't know if he don't have any insurance or something else.
Okay, so when you bought the car, was it a restored project or was it?
It was restored from 2015 to 2018. He restored the whole car. Everything is painting new, BMW, Alpine white.
Okay. What was the original colour?
It was silver, yeah.
Like a titanium silver or something like that?
Yeah. Right. I think it was brilliant silver. And he restored the whole car. Everything in rubber was new mounting.
Okay.
The suspension is special. The Milway.
Milway, yeah. We know Milway.
Yeah. So it's very good stuff. And the engine's power is 321 horsepower.
Yeah.
And really nice to drive.
Yeah, so I went through the car and I didn't notice if it was the 6 or the 5-speed gearbox.
This is a 5-speed.
The 5-speed, yeah? So the gearbox has been totally restored as well then, I'm guessing, all the moving parts. Now, that car is really rare. I mean, you probably know the history of why that car came to be, with the technicians in Germany. The companies back just designed this car and almost said to them, look, we've designed this, you have to make it. And then it's been this legendary car ever since. Did you realise the story behind the car when you bought the car?
No, I didn't really understand, but I have read later on, and it's produced between 2000 and 2003, 18,000
total
coupe, and maybe 900 was the M. So it was a very, very.
It's a very, very special car. A lot of people have called it the shoe because of the shape of the car.
Yeah, the clown shoe.
Yeah, that's it. But you know me, I'm a BMW fan, so I know the car. I instantly saw it when you got it, and I was very, very interested in it. But you're a Mercedes guy as well, aren't you?
Yes. I started to work with Mercedes in Gothenburg.
Okay.
So I always loved Mercedes, but I also like BMW because they have the same
German,
well-produced cars.
Yeah.
So I think it's a very good quality, both of these cars. So therefore I looking with my eye over to BMW.
So the car has been totally restored. We know that. Is there anything else that you've done to the car apart from the suspension? We know that you've done an upgrade to the suspension. The engine is pretty much stock though, yeah?
Yeah. But I haven't done anything with the car's engine and yet. Maybe next year.
All right, so the only thing left to do now then is maybe we can take it for a little spin.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Of course.
Excellent.
Yes. It's not the best prestanda right now.
Okay. But everything should be good and ready for next summer.
Yeah. I will fix it before this car going to inside the whole winter, because it's not a winter car.
Oh right, yeah. I mean, that's what a lot of people across the world have to realise, is that in Sweden we have summer and winter conditions, so a lot of cars that you see in the summertime you won't see in the wintertime. They get actually garaged till the temperature changes.
Yeah. And you see this 6,504 kilometers. It's not too much.
No.
On 20 years.
Yeah, that's nothing. Yeah, but that's straight up M power. Wow, that was an experience.
Yeah.
Yanni, thank you very much for today.
Thank you, Gary.
It's been great coming out to see the car, and hopefully we can do something again next year.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, take care.
Bye-bye.